Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have started out the day with a few scattered rain showers, and we're going to continue to see that threat for rain activity throughout the day today and on into the nighttime hours, where we could also see some embedded thunderstorms associated with those showers. Haven't seen any thunderstorm activity around here at Wallops for quite a while, so that'll be something to look for later this evening, and expecting a much colder air mass to move into the region with some gusty winds during the day on Friday. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see this large storm system moving closer to the Wallops region as we go throughout the day today and into the nighttime hours. We saw some severe weather located across the deep south last night and continuing through the day today, where we did see multiple tornadoes reported mainly in the state of Alabama over the course of the last 12 to 24 hours. We are going to see, again, that thunderstorm potential moving up the southeast coast, but fortunately for us, just not expecting that severe weather here in the Wallops region. Most of that severe weather should stay just to our south, but we will see quite a surge in those winds as we go into the morning hours on Friday as that system pulls off the coast. I want to take a quick look at our radar. You can see those scattered rain showers moving across the Delmarva currently. Some of those showers have some embedded moderate to heavy rain showers as they move across the area. But overall, just seeing light to moderate intensity out of these as we've seen over the course of the morning and we'll continue to see through the afternoon today. Taking a quick look at our infrared satellite, you can really see the massive size of this storm system stretching all the way from the northeastern United States all the way down to the Gulf Coast, where we are seeing that severe weather continue across the panhandle this morning of Florida. We are going to continue to see cloudy skies associated with this system throughout the day today and through the first half of the day tomorrow, as you can see here on satellite. Really wide, massive outreach of those clouds stretching from the southeastern United States all the way up towards the Wallops region and extending points farther up to the northeast United States this morning. Looking at our closed-in shot here across the mid-Atlantic, you can see on visible satellite really a lot of cloudiness associated with this system, especially in the low levels. We're seeing those ceilings down below 1,000 feet. We're going to continue to see low ceilings throughout the remainder of the day today and into the nighttime hours tonight before that frontal boundary pushes across the Wallops region and out to sea. Looking at our forecast model and what we can expect here for the next couple of days here, you can see those showers remaining fairly scattered in nature as we go throughout the afternoon. It does look like our best chance for seeing any kind of moderate to heavy rain will be later this evening as these storms begin to line up and move across the Delmarva. That's when we'll have our chances for seeing some thunderstorm activity. Best chances look to be between 6 p.m. and midnight tonight, probably a little closer to midnight as that front crosses the region is when we'll see our best chances for any kind of embedded thunderstorm activity. But as the storm moves off the coast, we're going to see colder air infiltrate the area, and we will see the potential for a few of those rain showers to transition to some snow as it comes to an end by the late morning hours of Friday. So not expecting any accumulation, but it could be something to look for as we get into the mid to late morning hours as that cold air rushes into the area and that precipitation exits the region. Not looking for any accumulation as the surface temperature should remain above freezing, and we should not have any issues on the roadway tomorrow morning. Switching over to a longer range model here and what we can expect as we go throughout the time period. Again, the European model sort of showing pretty much the same story. A little bit of cold air moving in tomorrow and possibly changing that rain shower activity over to a little bit of wet snow for the last hour or so of precipitation before it comes to an end by late morning. What will really be the most significant factor, I think, of this storm system will be the windy conditions expected tomorrow morning. Could see those winds gusting up to around 40 miles per hour out of the northeast during the morning, and then continuing to be windy throughout the day tomorrow as that system exits the coast. I want to take a look here at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release and out winds were generally out of a southerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, fairly light at 1,000 feet, only 10 knots. But as we go up in height, we see those winds increasing, and we'll really see the upper level wind pattern increasing over the evening hours tonight into the overnight hours as we see that lower level jet associated with that system move across the region. So expect some higher amounts, higher wind speeds for tomorrow morning's sounding. But max wind from this morning's sounding was around that 15,000 foot level, where we see the winds out of the west-southwest around 58 knots. Looking at the next 24 hours, again, good chance of rain throughout the remainder of the day. It does look like the best chance for lightning will be between the hours of 6 p.m. and midnight tonight, so certainly something to keep a lookout for. And then those winds becoming a little bit more breezy during the afternoon as well, possibly gusting up to around 22 knots during the afternoon and evening hours. Higher amounts of or higher wind gusts are likely going to be associated with those showers as they move in and out of the area. Overnight tonight, again, colder air moves through after the front, and thunderstorm chances come to an end around midnight. But after that front pushes south, we'll likely see a few lingering showers remain across the region overnight. Chances will go down after midnight, but we'll see those winds increasing out of the northeast up to around 40 miles per hour, or about 35 knots by early tomorrow morning. As we look at the next 7 days, again, a pretty active weather pattern to end our week, but much nicer conditions expected for the weekend. So 100% chance of those rain showers today. Again, those possible thunderstorms later this evening. Overnight tonight and into the morning hours, we'll see that front push through and some much colder conditions move into the area. It will be windy with those rain showers possibly transitioning to a little bit of wet snow by late in the morning on Friday. Again, no concerns with accumulating snow or any worries on the roadway tomorrow, as temperatures should stay above freezing. For Saturday and Sunday, looking for very nice, tranquil conditions. We'll still see some slightly breezy conditions on Saturday, but we will see abundant sunshine with highs pushing into the upper 40s on Saturday and into the mid 50s on Sunday. So Sunday's shaping up to be a very nice day. Monday, looking for the potential for a little bit of an increase in cloudiness, but we'll see those temperatures push into the upper 50s. Upper 50s expected for Tuesday as well, and then for Wednesday, possibly getting into the low 60s. Right now, monitoring a area of low pressure that will be off the southeast coast by the beginning of next week. Some of the models are pushing a little bit of rainfall into our Wallops area here along the mid-Atlantic by Tuesday. So that is something we'll keep an eye on as we go through the next couple of days and update the forecast to either increase or decrease those chances for the beginning of next week. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.